Hey girl, this is Silk Pressed on My Natural Hair. And before we get started, why don't you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you'll be notified every single time I post another video. I'll be using Olaplex 4 and 5 for my shampoo and conditioner. Right, at this point my conditioner is in. Y'all already saw me detangle my hair, so hopefully at this point you see what I mean when I talk about the difference between detangling and combing your hair. Now I'm just combing my hair. There's nothing in this brush because my hair is already detangled. I just stop mirroring through once the conditioner is in to make sure the conditioner reach from my roots to my ends. But this is not detangling, this is combing your hair. So
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found shit at them legs. She told me that's not who I am, but nowadays I put on for the fam. See her when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings. I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish at 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror. I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can. I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. Not sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. Yeah, young nigga used to think this was everything I need, right? Not so fond of change, I'm too caught up in my way of thinking. I get by on me, no, I don't need nobody, yes. I was so naive, somehow I'm still all in on me, yeah, yeah. Way too many times I let the ball drop. Now I'm Steph Curry with the wrist flick, so they cold shoulders never defrost. No deal, but I pre-floss with the money tree in a deep pot. So I'm corner lanes with the rundown. Bitch, I'm all in the field with the cleats off. Everything that I wanted to reach, I had the tunnel vision, couldn't see far. Negative vibes that I feed off got me up and down like a seesaw. All these decoys hit the destroy. Usually keep it poised, but it's ultra violent with the power moves when I deploy. For the real ones, I wanna feel something. Looking for a sign that I might be worth your time, yeah. When I look into your eyes, it make me feel alive. I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again.
Alright, so far to start off, I did the shampoo and conditioner with Olaplex 4 and 5. Then I followed up with Olaplex 6, if I'm not mistaken, which is it's smoother, but as you can see, I only use a very small amount. Please follow the directions on the bottle. Anytime you use a very concentrated product, using too much will do way more harm than good. Okay, so make sure you read the directions. Now I am brown brushing my hair. It may look like a whole bunch of heat, but as you can notice, the blow dryer attachment is not really close to the hair, and I am just Le twirling. At this point, I am using Design Essentials. Now, after I use Olaplex 6, what you saw me put on the hair was my favorite leave-in conditioner right now by Design Essentials, right? And then I did my blowout, and right before I begin the silk pressing process, I went ahead and used some of the silk elements from Design Essentials as an additional heat protectant. If you have low porosity hair, that will be enough. You could stop there, but for me, I have high porosity hair, so I need an extra little oomph, so I am using some hot spray from Kimra, which is a heat protectant. So yeah, if you want to know more information about heat protectants, leave-in conditioners, and all of that, whether or not we really need it, I break down the scientific explanation for it, so check the links in the description box below. But at this point, I'm simply flat ironing my hair. I also want you to remember, for all of the flat iron heat damage police, I have high porosity hair, which means my hair barely holds anything. So 1 or 2 passes isn't always enough for me. Sometimes I do 3, maybe even 4, just depending on the amount of pressure I am putting on the plates, because my hair is extremely high porosity naturally. It's not damaged or anything of the sort. So at this point, I am spraying hot spray, like I said, from Kimra on there. If you don't see it, it's because the clip isn't in there, okay? But yeah, I'm going to go ahead, straighten every piece, but I do want you guys to be aware that at the very end you will see 2 things. So the first thing, I didn't really unwrap my hair all of the way for this video, so you can see what looks like a little calic in the middle, because some is hair going every which way. So please, grandkids, don't be like, oh, she ain't got a bald spot, because no, she don't. Your mama do, but it's not bald spot. And then second thing, I got my hair wet in the shower, so at the very end you'll see in the back, like towards the middle, there's one little random puffy piece. So grandkids, again, don't be like, oh my god, that's a line of demarcation, because no, it's not. Your girl hair got wet in the shower, and it's not that deep. I wasn't going back and doing it all over again, okay? So leave me some comments below. I really hope that that explains everything, and I will have some updates coming for you. If you're interested in the music or anything products, make sure you check the description box below.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself, 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. 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 Talking to myself cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.